Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, printer showing offline in Windows. Fix it in minutes. PC or laptop. Right-click Start button, click Run, type Shell Calan Printers folder. Change another printer to default printer. Right-click Printer, click Use Printer Online. Double-click Printer, select Cancel all documents. Type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Print Spooler Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Restart the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.